going to be making a tassel. And of course a tassel is very useful. You can add it as decoration onto your bags, you know, onto your pillows. Lots of things you can do with tassels. And also you can use these as Christmas decorations. If you do red and white tassels, you can decorate a whole tree of tassels. So let's get started. You're going to need a piece of cardboard 3 inches wide by 4 inches long. You want a pretty sturdy piece of cardboard. Cut that out. Then you're going to need some yarn. We're going to start by cutting two 12-inch pieces of yarn. Now I'm using 2 different color yarns so you can see what I'm using the different pieces for. But you can use the same color to get what you want. So I'm just going to cut these 2 pieces of yarn, each 12 inches long. Okay. Now I'm going to take my first piece of yarn. I'm going to put it onto my cardboard, and this is the 3 inside, so along the 3 inside. I'm just going to put a piece of tape to keep it in place. Okay, so I don't want it to move. Now I'm going to take my orange yarn, which is what the color of my tassel is going to be. Okay, and I'm going to start winding my orange yarn around. Okay, I'm going to wind it around 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now notice I'm making sure that my 2 ends don't get caught up in my process. Okay, and there we have 50 times. Okay, now I'm going to pull my blue piece and I'm going to tie a knot. I'm going to try and tie a knot there. I'm just going to hold that in place because it's not going to be fully secured until I cut my yarn. Okay, so I'm going to try and pull it up to the top and keep a light knot while I take my scissors and I'm going to cut the pieces at the bottom. You may have to cut them in layers, that's okay. Now that it's out, I can really tie that knot as tight as I can. And I like to tie it a few times just to make sure it's properly tied. There we go. Remove our tape. I don't need that anymore. Okay. We have our yarn and we're going to take our second piece of yarn and tie that around the top. So I'm going to make the first tie, the first knot, but I'm leaving enough so that when I come around the second time, I can tie it again. Okay? So I've tied it once and now I'm going to wrap it around a few times, come around and tie it again. Now if you're using the same color, it's going to not show up as this one is. Okay, and now once I've finished, I'm going to hold the yarn between my 2 fingers like so, and I'm just going to trim the ends to make sure that it's all the same length. You do have to be very careful with scissors. And there we have our tassel. Now this is 50 loops. You can do less loops, you can do it longer, you can make a longer piece of paper and you'll get a longer tassel. I hope you have fun making these tassels and send us some pictures on the stuff you've made. You can join us on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest at DIY Place and on Instagram at My DIY Place. We look forward to hearing from you.